Jewish calendar is based on the cycle of the moon. Therefore, the Jewish holiday, for example, Passover and Yom Kippur, are extremely dependent on the exact date we classify as the new moon, which is the first day of the Jewish month, Rosh Chodesh, in Hebrew. The new moon is a period of time in the beginning of the month, which is the lunar disk. The moon is not visible to the united eyes. The time of the great Jewish court, 2 witnesses would go to the court and testify that they had seen a new moon once the witnesses were interrogated by the judges. The Jewish court would declare the new moon as the start of the new month. The Talmud says that on one cloudy day, witnesses came through the head of the Jewish court, whose name was Rabban Gamliel, to testify about the renewal of the moon. Rabban Gamliel replied to the people, "I'm very sorry, but all of you are wrong." So they asked him, "How can we be wrong?" He told him, "We have a 1300-year-old calculation method which helps us determine the renewal of the new moon. That we have from the generation to generation, all the way down from Moses, who received it from God, where God tells us that the renewal of the new moon can never be less than 20 days and a half days, plus 2/3 of an hour, plus 73 of 1080, subsection. This is mentioned on Talmud Bavli Rosh Hashanah 25a. Now let's calculate 29 days and a half, which is 12 hours, plus 2/3 of an hour, which is 40 minutes, plus 73 divided by 1080, parts of an hour, which is 0.06759, add up to 29.53059 days per month. That's a calculation of the Torah. Now let's review what the scientific world has to say about the minimum cycle of the moon according to research measurements. In the new moon system cycle, NASA published their calculation to be exactly 29.53058. NASA works with satellites, thousands of employees, and $20 billion of gadgets. They came to a brilliant calculation that exactly the same as the number within the earthsky.org, which gives us the calculation, but it is also the same exact number as of 29.53059 days. The total was given long time ago, roughly 3,300 years ago. They had no technologies, no satellites, no mega computers, and no way to measure these complex calculations. Moreover, do you think anybody was able to even dream about writing a number with 5 digits after the decimal point so long ago? There were even digital calculators until 50 or 60 years ago. Who could have known such brilliant calculation of the moon so long? Was a person able to write such things? The answer is absolutely. Only the creator of the moon and cycle this information. The Jews received this precise calculation from God himself.